Bring it out the front. Yeah, no, you said bring the engine out the front. That's why times I changed it. First of all, it was always at the top. Now it's at the, it turns it out the bottom. Now it's at the front. Oh, what's the better way? What well, he got it out, guys. Now, God, dog it. I wasn't over here when he was pulling it out. I think I talked about this on the live stream earlier. Y'all remember, y'all engine guys, y'all, things have changed, older engine guys. Yeah, we no longer pulling engines out of the top or the bottom. We bringing them out of the front. Yeah, it's crazy, man. You see the hood is still on this thing. All right, now, some of you may be wondering, I know y'all, Dodge a piece of junk. Man, this thing is, this problem is induced. Yes, it got hit, something on the, again, I think his insurance company paying for this, so this is not warranty per se. All right, I don't know if they got somebody to help them out with it or what, but there's a big ass hole in the bottom of the oil pan. All the oil leaked out, and people, for some reason, car makers not putting low oil level warning lights on cars. I don't know what's the deal with that. Now get this, you will get a. Let me show y'all something because it's crazy. You will get, or you can see when your damn. Get this. Where's the priority at, right? Y'all see this sensor right here? That will alert the driver that his washer fluid is low. See, yeah, where's our priority? Yeah, we got a sensor that will tell you when your washer fluid low, but there's not a sensor that will tell you if your coolant low or your oil low. I mean, an oil light should come on, but that's for oil pressure problems, okay? Yeah, and if you don't have any oil in your car, pressure would be affected, so why doesn't it come on? I don't know. Maybe it took too late. If you're driving 50 miles an hour and you bang into something in the road and you're still going, yeah, it's going to take a while for that to register. By the end, your engine, the lubrication is going out of your engine and you still trucking. Them bearings still, at some point, just going to seize up. Well, yeah. So we had no choice but to bring it out because we couldn't rotate, bring it out together. I don't know how the book says to get this out, but he said the book said bring it out of the front. But, yeah, my older engine buddies that I used to work with, oh, my goodness. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can survive this day and age. And this is a damn... What is this? It's not an old car. Is this a damn, damn, I have to go to the back. He got a lot of stuff over there. Look at all the stuff. Oh, my goodness. I guess I can't go back here. Guys, if you're an engine guy, Hornet. This is a Dodge Hornet. If you're an engine guy, you sure you want to be? New mechanics. Think about it. All right? I'm not trying to scare you. And think about it this way. You get paid for doing this stuff. How much, or is it a lot? I don't know. I can't say. That's not my call to make. All right, but yeah, the majority of the internals of the vehicle have to come apart. You will have to maintain a decent memory. You will have to have a decent memory. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I'm glad he got this and not me because, yeah, this is a Hornet. Well, we got the engine out. He got the engine out. I'm not taking no credit for this. I'm just letting y'all see, view what's going on. He brought it out through the front. Once all of this is gone, you now have room to maneuver. All right, and of course, everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. Look how things are just banjoed now. All right, yeah. Where's the clamps? And no more clamps. Okay, no more tensioning clamps, no more worm clamps. Just push on, click, click. Everything's like a puzzle. Yeah, like this. Everything's a semi-puzzle. You break one thing, it's over. You break this, or you forget to unhook it while you're taking it out and it goes snap. You got to wait 3 weeks for a part. Like, it's crazy, man. It is crazy the way these cars are built now. And you know what's really crazy is they're not sure whether the training center, the automotive training center, they're not sure whether to keep training on gasoline combustion engines, all right, hybrid or fully EV, because nobody really fully understands where the automotive industry is headed. Yeah, we just don't know. All right, a lot of it is politics and depends on who in the office. Yeah, that's just the hard truth about it. Okay, but yeah, 6-speed transmission. Couldn't turn it to get the torque converter bolts out, so which wasn't bad because we brought it all out together. He brought it all out together. So my man, if he got sick and ill right now and couldn't come to work, And this customer adamant about getting a car, and they come down to me and say, JT, we need your help. Captain Saber Tech. JT, dun, 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 dun. We need you to put this back together. I got the COVID. I'm sick. I can't do it now. No. Do you know how hard it is to put something together that you didn't take apart? Huh? Guys, as you removing stuff, as you taking parts off, there's a memory bank in your head, in your brain, that tells you, okay, I remember when I took that off, I set that right here. Yeah, only you have that memory bank. Only you are aware of that. Okay, so a new guy to come over here and the boss tell you put it back together. He can't pick your brain and tell you. Yeah, so that's why it is no way in hell. There's a way in hell. You just gotta, it's gonna take a long time that somebody can come put this back together that didn't take it apart. Okay, maybe I'm just talking about me. Maybe I'm just not that good. I ain't ashamed to say I don't want to put nothing like this back together, but yeah, interesting, man. So my man, I guess he'll wrap it up, finish it up Monday. Oh, where's the new engine? I want to see the new engine. I think they're gonna bring it over here in a forklift. Okay, yeah, it's turbo equipped. We trying to gauge. I want to see what come equipped on a long block. It's gonna be a long block, but I don't know how much of a long block. Like it's gonna have. I'm sure they ain't gonna have alternators and compressors and things. Look, he brought it out whole, boy. You got some more tearing down to do, bro. Oh my goodness. All right. This is fascinating. So I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I'm just over here mesmerized by. I don't know why. We see this stuff daily. Y'all think shops only work on older cars? Like some people have that mentality. I'm gonna get a new car so I won't have no problems. This could happen on a new car or old car. Okay, it could happen on a brand new car. If you see a brand new car in the shop getting the engine, are you automatically gonna assume the car maker garbage? The car maker suck. Oh my God, they put an engine in already. The problem was induced, guy. All right, the engine didn't fail. Okay, do new engines fail? I'm sure they do. That's some problems you're going to have with any car. But get out of that notion of thinking just because you got a brand new car that you're not going to have any problems. All right, I'm talking way too much. So let me wrap this up, man. I got to get out of here, guys. That's all I have. This is pretty interesting. Kudos to my man. He's a bad dude. I got to go. Thanks for watching.